Okay, hello and welcome. I'm Kristof Irwin with Positive Energy. We're a building science consulting shop in Austin, Texas. We're going to talk today about why measured performance matters, and we're going to look at how measured performance tests happen. So, first off, this is a brief introduction to my field testing guy, Sean, showing you some of his ninja tricks from the field and explaining the hows and whys of testing. But my goal here in this brief introduction is to give you the proper attitude to receive this information. And one of the ways I think we can connect to why measured performance matters is to remember that you don't eat the recipe. Just like a good recipe and high quality ingredients do not guarantee that the food's going to taste good, in the same way, when it comes to measured performance, having the proper scope of work and using high quality materials, they don't guarantee comfort or performance. Performance being durability, efficiency, health, safety. So how can we make this shift to valuing measured performance? And attitude is everything here. So when it comes to measured performance or performance testing generally, there are two main ways to look at it. One is that it's a bureaucratic hassle, standing in the way of getting your project done and getting paid. The second attitude is that this is the only chance you have to get an unbiased gauge of whether all the work, effort, discipline, exertion, all of that was successful. Everything else was just good intentions. These tests are the only thing that are going to show you what actually got built. So also remember that industries respond to market preferences. So you, your project managers, your GCs, anyone speaking on your behalf when it comes to getting your performance testing done, what is it you want and what is it you ask for? As a performance testing contractor for many years now, I experience a lot of people basically looking for paperwork. Please send me the PDF file as soon as possible is either their implicit or sometimes explicit request. Wouldn't it be awesome to have someone ask you as a testing company, to have your client call and say, could you please come out to my house? I really want to know if my work was successful and I want to understand why or why not. And there's a lot of these people out there too. I get these builders, these architects and homeowners all the time. They like to meet us on site, they like to go through everything, see the test, do the smoke test or the infrared with us and look at the results in real time and learn about their buildings. These tools are really insightful, can be really insightful. So remember, your attitude is everything, and that these tools weren't invented by code officials to make your project more difficult. These tools were created by people like you who really want to know and understand how buildings work. So please keep this in mind as you watch Sean go through the hows and whys of some of the core measured performance tests. Please try to have the attitude of really wanting to learn and understand this stuff, and I'll talk to you at the back end.